so I could just drive there, drift, and drive back home in the same day. Focus on just having fun, seeing if I can link the course. Don't really know the layout yet. Always working on handwork and just trying to get comfortable with the car. See you guys there.
That's basically it. So no, you're not supposed to hit barrels.
It's a good time. I got the opportunity to drive. Thank you, Michael, for giving me your spot. But until I get to grid, it's windows up, AC on. It's too hot for this.
Bro, that was sick. That was like the smoothest out of all. That was smooth as shit.
officially back home. US Drift was really fun. Thank you to all the people that helped organize it and ran the event. Great layout. So glad there's another event in the Richmond area. But even though I came alone to the track, I didn't feel alone. Met a lot of new friends, and thank you to everyone who came up and just talked to me. Had a great time talking to everyone and giving ride-alongs. But that's it. Drift Event 8. Such a good one. Figured out hand stuff and throttle control. Great car. Only thing that happened was my passenger window won't go up. So in the garage it goes for now, but that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe. Kinda looks good in the garage. Sorry, Bella.